In this Instant Traffic app review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about Instant Traffic app. If you have any questions, please comment them down below, and I'll also be sure to leave a discounted link so you can get your money's worth for Instant Traffic app. Instant Traffic app is a software used to help generate traffic and sources. This is the homepage. Straight off the bat, this is what you see when you log in. The layout of the page looks pretty simplistic. There's not really a lot going on here. Right up at the top, you can see you've got the banner and the logo for Instant Traffic app. And as you scroll down, it actually has a list of other sources and other videos that you can go to for traffic source and funnels. All the way at the bottom, it actually has 2 download links for the apps that Instant Traffic app uses. You've got one for Android right here, and there is the link. And then you've also got one for iPhone, and right below it is the link. Scrolling back up to the top, you can see that, like I said, there is other videos and register areas for other sources of traffic. Right here you can see register for our list building app. These are the other sources that Instant Traffic app actually shows you and helps you connect with. So once you've created an account on Instant Traffic app, you are then able to register for these with ease. Overall, it's a good area, a good homepage for opening up to different sources and different types of traffic systems. If you were to click down here on the register now, it should take you to this homepage. This is the list building app, and right here is where you'd register for this. Again, it looks pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Carry on back to the homepage of Instant Traffic app. If you were to scroll down, you can see that there actually is a video for the list building app if you would want to watch that and learn how to use it. Or right below that, you also have our instant traffic source. This is a traffic source used for funneling. Right here you can see that there's actually again a YouTube video for this. If you want to exactly know how to do it, you just click on that. And right below it there is a register for free account, and if we are to click on that link, it actually takes you to this homepage for the traffic funnel. And again, this homepage looks very straightforward, very simplistic. It has a logo on the banner up here, create your own lifestyle business, and finally it has the YouTube video and the register for a free account area. Overall, this homepage is again really straightforward. This is what the homepage of Instant Traffic app actually has to offer. Again, now we've reached the bottom and you can actually download the app that they show. Back up to the top, you can see if we go up to the top left of this homepage, if we hover over the Instant Traffic app icon, you can see that there is a button to click to go to your dashboard. Now this should take you to a dashboard where you can actually change the color scheme of your admin section. You should also be able to change all your username stuff here, passwords, email, etc. Up in the very top left, you can see that there's more stuff about different sources like WordPress, wordpress.org, documentation, or you can also have support and feedback right here. Up in the very top right on Instant Traffic app, there is a search icon. Here is where you can just search for any sort of sources. To the very left of that, if you hover over, again, this is more of just your profile stuff. You can go into your profile or you can log out. Overall, Instant Traffic app is very easy to navigate and can really help you within a business, or if you're just trying to look for some form of traffic. Right here to the right, it should say what you want to do if you were to register for any of these apps that they feature. You will need to register an account at our list building tool. When you do this, you can use the exact same email address you use to log into Instant Traffic app. This means there's no confusion between all of the traffic sources, and it's better for the user. Overall, this is pretty much what Instant Traffic app has to offer. There's just a few good traffic sources that if you are building a business or managing a business, you would love to use this app. Things I like about Instant Traffic app is that it directly links you again to traffic sources, so rather than spending ages scouring the internet trying to look for sources, you can just register for this app and then you can actually have them right here at your fingertips. Few things I don't like about this app is that there actually isn't too much going on other than the sources. It's a pretty bland and maybe too simplistic app. However, it is all pretty straightforward and easy to use once you register and log in. Would I recommend this app to anyone? Yes, I would. If you were just running a business and you needed traffic sources, Instant Traffic app is probably the best thing to use for that. However, if you do want more for what you're registering for, then this probably isn't the best thing to use, since there isn't really much going on overall. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.